Meaning of Commander-in-Chief.
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 Commander-in-Chief. Commander-in-Chief refers to the highest-ranking officer in a military or paramilitary organization, responsible for making strategic decisions and leading its overall operation. The Commander-in-Chief holds ultimate authority over all aspects of the organization and is typically accountable to a higher governing body or government. This position is often held by a nation's president or monarch and is considered a critical part of national defense and security. Strong leadership and effective decision-making skills are essential for success in this role.